I'm just sitting here, I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
First, I'll give you introduction of the community, what all is going to come up, because we have relaunched the community after 6 years. So this so far, it's not tenants exactly. It's a combination of end users and tenants living over there.
Okay. I mean, what I'm saying is the people staying.
Yeah. We have 12,000 houses so far,
Okay.
out of which 60% has been occupied so far, which is high.
Oh, very good.
Yeah.
Very good. So all the amenities are already functioning.
Most of them. We have done this relaunch like a couple of weeks back.
Okay.
So I'll show you what are going to come up over there. This is called as Water Down.
Okay.
So there's an adventure park, a proper water park which is going to come up over there. And there's a
Which
massive...
come up, so meaning it's not yet there.
It's not yet there. And there's an artificial beach. And this is going to be as big enough to do surfing.
Awesome.
So you could go beach surfing. I don't know if it's there
crazy.
in Dubai Beach right now. And it's going to be one of the best. And we have floating cinema. So that means you can be in the pool and you watch a movie with your family. And we have an existing cinema which is open right now called as Open Cinema. You
So
can
they're
go in
now
your
using
car.
it. There.
Yeah, you can go in your car. There are truck foods. You can sit in your car, relax, and watch the movie.
60% occupancy.
Yeah, and also this is a circle. This is the entire water down. You see.
Okay.
So over here you can see there's a boating lake and there's lake cafe. So there's a cafeteria inside the pool, and you have the lazy river, and there is Malibu Beach, the beach that we are speaking about, and the surfing. This is going to be nice when it's ready. And then you have slides, like it's a proper like a water park. You have the slides, you have kids activities.
But this is exclusive for the
Residents only, yeah.
yeah.
It's not for outsiders. And then you have multiple water parks inside the water park itself, and you could actually go kayaking inside the.
Kayaking seems very interesting.
It's very interesting. That is about Water Town. Now we're going to see the Sport Town. So we have a massive cricket field which is coming up, along with the net practice sections as well next to the field. This is how the entire Sport Town is going to look like. So there's an outdoor gym, and there's also indoor gym, and there's a cricket ground as you can see, and there's cricket nets. There's like a proper stadium where even the professionals can come and practice. And then we have football field. There is volleyball court. There's basketball court. There is tennis court.
This is not the golf, right? This is not the golf.
We have removed the golf and we've gotten these because how many can use golf course?
Okay. So that's what I'm thinking. Where is the Akoya oxygen? This is Akoya oxygen. So you made it a different plan.
We're
Relaunched,
remodeling. Yeah.
Remodeling and different. So
what the community members said, make something which is
Useful.
utilizable for almost everyone in the community, and this is what we came up with. And they are very happy. And now the purchase has increased.
Okay.
You will not believe, since the time of this launch, the prices have appreciated by 10%, even in the secondary, which is good. That means the response is quite nice.
The payment plan is also good.
The payment plan is good, and the price is very decent for a house. And this is downtown, we call it. So there's a massive lake with an overbridge, and we made a nice gardening area. There's also going to be a farmer's market. So the farmers will be there displaying their fruits and vegetables, and you could buy directly from them. And this is the children park. So this is how it's going to look like. They have a hedge maze. Hedge maze is the one where you have the green patches like a puzzle. So that's going to be a huge one that we're planning to build.
So the full golf course is utilized.
Yes. Partially, there's some part of it which is still
So there
there.
will still be golf course, like a driving range.
Very minor. It's not going to be as big as it is right now. It's one of the biggest that we had. So most
But
of
still
the
the golf course is there.
yeah, 80% of the land is utilized for these facilities. 20% is used for the golf.
Okay, so maybe it would be a nine hole.
Yeah,
Not even 9 hole.
smaller. 8 hole is what they're saying.
8 hole.
Yeah,
It's just for
yeah.
fun. Which is okay. There's a nearby professional.
Exactly. And we have the golf club in Damac Hills 1 if someone wants to. That's a massive one.
That's a good thing.
And on this
Because I have
side,
retirees who needed a golf area.
oh, okay. On this side, we have life-size chess for the kids, and there's the jogging track follows throughout all the towns that we're speaking about.
So what's the percentage of the remodeling?
We just
stage?
launched 2 weeks back.
2 weeks back.
Yeah, so
Okay.
it'll come eventually. In another year's time, it should be ready.
Okay.
And we have snake and ladder on this side, which is again life-size. And
So it's
there's
a full community, full community facility.
There is
Even
a-
better.
Yeah.
Even better. Yeah.
Here you have Zen garden where you can do the meditation if you want to relax and come with the
I
family.
think I'm buying one. I just wanted the Zen garden. That's enough for me.
It's really nice, and there is
Yoga.
amphitheater if you want to come and do some
Events.
conferences or some
This
events.
is the amphitheater.
Yeah, isn't it nice?
Yes.
And there's a beautiful lake right next to that, as you can see, and there's barbecue area as well.
So it's a full park.
It's a full park, like literally everything that you could think of, we tried to put in. These are some of the ideas came from the people living there.
Okay.
So we have taken everyone's ideas as a group, as you know, we call it the Mac family.
Right.
So we
Now you're closer because before you're a little far from the people. Now you're
exactly.
becoming
Now we're
closer.
trying to be more connected.
Yes, that's how it is. You know,
Yeah.
to finish all those extra inventories, over inventories.
Exactly. Now we're focusing on, making things better on what we already have, than building new projects and not being able to accomplish what we're promising.
And I'm glad I'm going to be part of this. Yeah.
Thank you. This one is going to be one of the biggest horse riding, the stables area.
Oh, there's
it's
a stable
beautiful.
area.
Yeah.
What's the total area?
For the stables,
No, for the whole area of
it's
Korea?
massive, 650 square meter. The whole Akoya.
Okay.
3 ponds are there right now.
I'll check with my 2 clients. I'll try to bring them tomorrow. Friday tomorrow. So it's so hot, but it's okay. You can do 52 million square feet. It's
5.2 million square feet, sorry, 5.2 million
So
square
it's
feet.
5,000.
It's huge, it's massive area. So we have this entire horse riding. When I show you the master plan, you'll figure out where these are coming up. And this is the farmers market. Remember I told you the farmers can come and showcase their vegetables.
Farmers from where? From Dubai, or is there a greenhouse?
There's
coming
greenhouse.
out? Greenhouse.
If you want to grow your own patch, you could. We are trying
that
to.
is interesting.
There's a proper green zone if you want to take
Buy
your own
now,
patch.
madam, 20%.
And there's go karting. This is called
need
as
to go
Muraka.
anywhere. Just stay here and live and die here.
Go karting is going to come up in next 2 months.
Okay.
So it's already we're working on the entire go karting area.
They should start first the greenhouse.
The green zone is open.
Alright, the green zone.
It's open right now.
Greenhouse is there.
Greenhouse, yeah,
Very
it's
good.
there along with the green zone.
So awesome.
And this is like the entire Open cinema is already there, which I've spoke to you about. This is the lake, fishing lake, which you were asking about. That is also there. And there's a petting farm we are going to open. So it's like a small petting zoo, like we have in the Mackles one. There'll be rabbits, deer, peacock. It's just very nice.
Existing now.
It's going to open.
Okay.
This one is open right now. This is open. And this talks about gym and outdoor area. It's all open. And then there is paintball inside the community.
So everything is there.
We are opening next
It's
month.
best for families.
Yeah. Children Park is open right now. And one community center is open. And we're opening one more very soon, in 6 months' time. And the green zone is open, like I informed you. Outlets are open. Snack bars are open.
Yeah, outlets are open.
Supermarkets.
What's the
Food
biggest
is open.
supermarket? Carrefour?
Carrefour, yeah.
Carrefour Express.
Carrefour, big one. It's a hypermarket.
Oh.
And we have clinic right now. There's supermarket, as we spoke about. Children play areas there. But we're also building 3 schools and 2 hospitals. 3 massive schools and 2 big hospitals. And Dubai Police is also coming up with one of their headquarters inside our community.
Awesome.
And there's also civil
So
defense.
nowhere to go. You don't have to go anywhere.
We're building our own town. Our concept is we want to build our own town.
This is what we do in the Philippines.
See?
Town centers.
Exactly, and they have more demand. People, now there is no land left on Sheikh Zayed, no land left on Al Khair, no land left on Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road. So for the sake of building something close to the city, we want to build something which brings out we have communities, but it's not like a gated community built by one developer with all these facilities.
You don't have that in India? Because
have-
there's not much space, right? So they have, but vertical communities.
It's like in our communities that we have, mostly we have clubhouse, maximum school,
Not
or
as
nursery.
massive as this.
Not as massive as this. And with these kind of facilities, I mean, who
In the
has...
Philippines, we have this.
Yeah.
Yes.
With like go-karting, horse riding,
Not
and
up to this
beach.
extent, but we have the
Exactly.
malls inside. We have the commercial
Commercial
offices
centers,
inside.
schools and hospitals.
So we have that already in the Philippines.
So our concept was to build beyond the basic facilities.
Very good, very good.
Right?
Awesome.
Because that's the reason we
This has
replaced
been
the gold.
happening long time.
6
So that
years.
they relaunched it to this scale.
And
to
no
this
one
model.
expected it would come out like this.
Very good.
Yeah. I mean, that's the whole intention. When you see this is the community size,
Okay.
it's huge. We're talking about 12,000 houses.
Okay. We have 12,000 houses and 60% is
Occupied, yeah.
All right.
So I'll show you what all are ready right now. This entire outside section
It's ready.
ready.
Because this is supposed to be the golf course, right?
Exactly. So the entire outside section ready and handed over.
Handed over.
Most important. Now, apart from that, outside, we also handed over from here to here. These 4 clusters are also handed over. This cluster is also handed over.
Bargain.
Yeah.
Okay.
So can you imagine, like 60% is done already. Now we are looking at this
Handed
section.
over to owners.
Owners, yes.
Okay. So where is our inventory?
So the ones which we're looking for 870,000 right now, either they could go for Warden, but my suggestion is Al-Qizia. It's a nice cluster because the villas are more that it's dispersed. You have your own space and they're multiple
They're not
parts.
townhouse. It's independent.
No, it's
Or
townhouse.
Oh, it's a townhouse.
It's row house.
Cluster, yeah.
It's connected from both the sides.
Okay.
You could either take middle or corner. Corner ones are slightly expensive, middle ones are slightly lower in the price. And also, this is green zone, which we're talking about.
Oh, she would like that.
And the lakes, fishing lake that we were speaking about, they're all over here. And this is the farmers market, horse stables, the children's park and Zen garden that we spoke of. This is the water town.
Do they need
artificial
to
beach.
travel to drive to the facilities, or there's
They can travel
there's a
or they
go-kart,
could have-
there's a go-kart, there's a
They're
cart
buggies.
inside. Buggies, yeah.
Inside. But I
It's free or it's with a fee.
Buggy would be very difficult. You see the number of houses here. Usually people inside the community, they have their bikes.
Okay.
There's a cycling track connected throughout the community.
Awesome.
So they could go by a bicycle or a motorbike, the small one which you get inside the communities. Or some people have their own buggy.
Okay.
You could do that as well if you want. And then over here you have
Extra
the
exercise.
extra
Scooter
exercise.
is
Come
good.
on.
Scooter is good.
And then you have the sport town over here, and then you have the additional, the golf area, little golf area which we are speaking about is here.
Driving range.
Yeah, it's not much as you could say, as you could see over
It should
here.
be like a driving range, a small one.
Exactly.
Just to practice for the oldies.
And this is the go-karting section. There's one retail area which is coming over here, and there's existing.
Where is
retail
that
area
existing retail?
here.
Ah, a little far. Okay.
It's
So
because the main communities which were launched before were here.
Okay.
Now once we have this entire patch getting handed over, then
when
we
is the
this next-
target for this to complete?
This December.
December.
December-
For the whole facilities, or
No, not for the facilities, but these clusters.
okay.
These clusters are getting handed over by December.
All right.
This also, all of this.
They should because it's already expo.
Yeah, it's fine. The demand will not be accomplished 110% by Expo for
So
sure.
where is our inventory?
Our inventory is here
We still
and
have.
here,
Okay.
and if they want like something getting handed over in December, here.
They wanted something to live already. Ready to
Ready to move in here and here.
Okay, so we still have a couple of units there.
Yeah, we have like good 12 units.
12 units.
Yeah.
That's very few.
Yeah.
So there's a lot in secondary market.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we have 12 units in total.
Yeah.
Available.
Yeah.
With
that price range. Yeah.
Okay. So the 1.3 we have.
1.3, yeah. We have like, overall we have 400 units.
Okay. That's also affordable.
Yeah.
That's also affordable. That's also easy.
So it depends on the price range that you're going for. So we start at 870, and the next level is 1,075,000, and next level after that is
Do you
1.26.
have an X?
So for example, let's say I want to see what's there in Warden. In general, I just want to cross check what's there in Warden. It's a single row unit, as you can see.
Do you have a corner
Middle unit.
available?
So if it's RRM, it's middle unit. If you want corner,
Okay.
amazing. We don't have in these clusters.
Okay.
No, there is one. RREM is corner unit.
Okay.
It's a corner middle unit, so this is how it will look like, the layout.
Okay.
It has the garden. And then this is the main entrance. You have kitchen, you have dining, living, guest washroom, storeroom. On top floor, you have 3 bedrooms.
I will have that in my account.
Master bedroom with attached bath, 2 bedrooms with 1 common bath, terrace in the front, balcony in the back end facing the garden, 2 covered car park,
This is
and 2
3 bedroom,
uncovered.
right?
This is 3 bedroom townhouse.
Okay.
Corner middle unit.